What's up guys, today I'm gonna make a review about TransferWise and Xoom. So in this video I'm gonna show you how this is my first transaction with TransferWise to Xoom. So I'm gonna try and send some funds from TransferWise to Xoom and from Xoom to my Jamaican bank account. So we are trying to beat all the fees. So Xoom, I heard that Xoom is a very good service for helping to get funds in Jamaica. If you have funds in your US account abroad or so on, you can get them out here in Jamaica with Xoom. So what I did was message Xoom, letting them know that I would like my account to be fully activated to send funds. So what Xoom do is they have a restriction on the account once you sign up with them or you log in with them with PayPal. There's a restriction to their account, so you have to message them to let them revoke the restriction so that you can send your transaction here to Jamaica. So let me get into the details how I did this. So I'm gonna log into my email and show you the procedure. So this was the message I got from Xoom. We have revoked the restrictions on your account and you may now log into your account to send another transaction. So you guys can see. So the message I sent them was, hello, I'm Kashroy Brown. I'm currently in Jamaica. I have a verified US bank account with TransferWise. I want to use Xoom service to send money to my Jamaica bank account. So they messaged me saying they remove the restriction as I show you. So let's head over to Xoom. So guys, the next step you're gonna take is you need to add in your TransferWise address. So you're gonna go to my profile, click on my profile. You're gonna go to address, and here you should enter your TransferWise address as you see it. So I already add in my address, so what you will see is add address, so you can add yours exactly like this. Each TransferWise address is basically the same. So next you wanna go to add in your bank account. So you're gonna add in your bank account from your bank details from TransferWise. So you're gonna get the info from TransferWise and add it here in Xoom. So this is where they're gonna pull the funds from so that they can transfer your request to Jamaica. So here I already add in my bank account details I got from TransferWise. So when you come to this page, I think you will see add bank account. So you just do this, you just follow the steps and everything will be okay. So continue watching my video to understand more process as I go through. So I'm gonna hit quick send. So I'm gonna pay 14.20 29 2020 2021. Yep. Continue. Review. You can see the fees, $2.99 at Xoom. So authorize this payment. See, there was an internet issue, so the transaction is on its way. 22 will be deposited to Scotia for Cashroy Brown. We'll keep you updated as we complete your transaction. Receive text update. Okay, I received the text update. So guys, you might not see certain personal information about me, so I will block out those and edit out those voice. I will not reveal my personal information here. So this was my honest review about Xoom and TransferWise. So as you can see, the transaction is on its way, guys. And thanks to what was the name of that girl on Telegram in the group? I think it's Crystal. I think Crystal will make a new YouTube channel because she was the very first in the group to mention about Xoom. Yeah, she was the first in the group to mention about TransferWise to Xoom and how to make it work. So a big up to Crystal. I hope she's hearing this. A big up to Crystal, and thanks for sharing your info. So I'm gonna track the last transaction I made, and yes, you will see what it says. So authorized on February. Status or processing started. So as you can see, the transaction is in process mode. So everything is on track and going very smooth. I should receive an email about this transaction also from Xoom. So if you can refresh, I'll go in my inbox and refresh the page. I should get a transaction email from Xoom also. So I haven't got the email as yet, but everything is on its way, and I will keep track here and see once they update it's delivered into my bank. So guys, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, share and comment so we all can understand any new ways of sending money to Jamaica and the easiest way to beat fees, because fees is killing we out here in Jamaica. And I hope one day TransferWise will add our currency JMD in their system to make life easy for us Jamaicans. So guys, peace. I'll see you in another one.